Hello everyone and welcome back to Banana Life. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive guide on how to become a healthy person. Living a healthy lifestyle is not just about eating right or exercising occasionally. It involves a holistic approach that encompasses physical, mental, and emotional well-being. In this video, we'll explore various aspects of health and provide practical tips to help you on your journey to becoming the healthiest version of yourself. Let's start with the foundation of good health, nutrition. Eating a balanced diet is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. This means consuming a variety of foods that provide the essential nutrients your body needs to function properly. Focus on incorporating whole, unprocessed foods into your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoiding processed foods, sugary snacks, and excessive amounts of salt and saturated fats can also contribute to better health. One of the key components of a healthy diet is ensuring you get a wide range of vitamins and minerals. These nutrients are vital for various bodily functions, including immune support, energy production, and bone health. For instance, vitamin C, found in citrus fruits and vegetables, is essential for a strong immune system. Calcium, present in dairy products and leafy greens, is crucial for healthy bones and teeth. Iron, found in red meat, beans, and spinach, is necessary for oxygen transport in the blood. By eating a diverse range of foods, you can ensure you get all the necessary nutrients to support your health. Hydration is another critical aspect of nutrition. Water is essential for almost every function in the body, including digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, or more if you're physically active or live in a hot climate. Staying hydrated helps keep your skin healthy, supports kidney function, and can even aid in weight management by reducing hunger and increasing metabolism. Now, let's move on to physical activity. Regular exercise is one of the most important things you can do for your health. It helps control your weight, reduces your risk of chronic diseases, improves your mood, and boosts your energy levels. The key is to find an activity you enjoy so that you're more likely to stick with it. Whether it's running, swimming, dancing, or practicing yoga, incorporating physical activity into your daily routine is essential. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity each week, along with muscle strengthening exercises on 2 or more days a week. Aerobic activities, such as walking, jogging, or cycling, help improve cardiovascular health, while strength training exercises, like lifting weights or doing bodyweight exercises, help build and maintain muscle mass and bone density. Flexibility and balance exercises, such as stretching or Tai Chi, can also enhance overall fitness and reduce the risk of injuries. Mental and emotional health are equally important as physical health. Stress management is a crucial aspect of maintaining mental well-being. Chronic stress can have detrimental effects on your health, including increased risk of heart disease, weakened immune function, and digestive problems. Finding effective ways to manage stress is essential for maintaining overall health. Techniques such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, and mindfulness can help reduce stress levels. Practicing gratitude, spending time in nature, and engaging in hobbies you enjoy can also promote mental well-being. Sleep is another vital component of health that is often overlooked. Quality sleep is essential for physical and mental health, as it allows your body to repair itself and your brain to consolidate memories and process information. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Establishing a regular sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and creating a comfortable sleep environment can help improve the quality of your sleep. Avoiding caffeine and electronic devices before bedtime can also promote better sleep. Social connections and relationships play a significant role in overall health. Strong social ties can improve mental health, increase longevity, and provide a support system during challenging times. Make an effort to maintain and strengthen your relationships with family, friends, and community members. Engaging in social activities, volunteering, and participating in group activities can help foster a sense of belonging and purpose. Preventive care is another important aspect of becoming a healthy person. Regular checkups and screenings can help detect potential health issues early when they are most treatable. Make sure to schedule routine visits with your healthcare provider, dentist, and eye doctor. Stay up to date with vaccinations and follow recommended guidelines for cancer screenings, such as mammograms and colonoscopies. Taking preventive measures can help you stay on top of your health and catch any issues before they become serious. Let's also talk about the importance of avoiding harmful behaviors. Smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and drug use can have severe negative impacts on your health. If you smoke, seek help to quit, as smoking is one of the leading causes of preventable death worldwide. Limit alcohol intake to moderate levels, which is up to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 drinks per day for men. Avoiding illegal drugs and using prescription medications only as directed by a healthcare provider can also contribute to better health. Another key aspect of health is maintaining a healthy weight. Being overweight or obese can increase the risk of various health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. If you need to lose weight, focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes rather than following fad diets. This includes eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and making mindful choices about portion sizes and snacking. It's important to approach weight loss with a positive mindset and seek support from healthcare professionals if needed. Mindful eating is a practice that can help you develop a healthier relationship with food. It involves paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues, eating slowly, and savoring each bite. By eating mindfully, you can avoid overeating and make more conscious choices about the foods you consume. This practice can also help you enjoy your meals more and reduce stress related to eating. Incorporating healthy habits into your daily routine can make a significant difference in your overall health. Simple changes, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator, parking farther away from your destination, or taking short walking breaks throughout the day, can add up over time. Finding ways to integrate physical activity into your daily life can help you stay active and healthy without feeling like you're making a major effort. A healthy mindset is also crucial for overall well-being. Positive thinking can improve your mental and emotional health, increase resilience, and help you cope with stress. Practice self-compassion and avoid negative self-talk. Focus on your strengths and accomplishments and set realistic goals for yourself. Surround yourself with positive influences and seek support when needed. Let's not forget the importance of personal hygiene in maintaining good health. Regular hand washing, proper oral care, and maintaining cleanliness can prevent infections and promote overall well-being. Make sure to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water, especially before eating, after using the restroom, and after coughing or sneezing. Brush and floss your teeth daily to maintain oral health, and visit your dentist regularly for checkups and cleanings. Lastly, staying informed and educated about health and wellness is crucial for making informed decisions about your lifestyle. Keep up with the latest research and recommendations from reputable sources, and seek advice from healthcare professionals when needed. By staying informed, you can make choices that support your health and well-being. In conclusion, becoming a healthy person involves a holistic approach that encompasses physical, mental, and emotional well-being. By focusing on nutrition, physical activity, mental health, sleep, social connections, preventive care, avoiding harmful behaviors, maintaining a healthy weight, practicing mindful eating, incorporating healthy habits into your daily routine, cultivating a positive mindset, maintaining personal hygiene, and staying informed, you can make significant strides towards a healthier, happier life. Remember, the journey to better health is a continuous process, and small changes can lead to big improvements over time. Thank you for joining me today on Banana Life to explore how to become a healthy person. If you found this video informative and helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Share this video with anyone you know who is on their own journey to better health, and leave a comment below with your own tips and experiences. Together, we can create a healthier world. Take care and stay committed to your health journey.